The Pacific International Hotel Management School, founded in 1995, is a private tertiary education enterprise connected globally. We are a NZQA approved institution and all our programs are NZQA accredited. PIHMS offers a wide range of programs, from diploma and degree through to postgraduate and master's programs in tourism, hospitality and hotel management. PIHMS is designed to fast-track students into business and management roles. What makes PIHMS unique is our hotel campus. The hotel is your classroom bringing reality to life.
They introduced PIHMS as a part of a simulated hotel, so all the students run the hotel and it runs like a hotel, so that was the main point where I wanted to be very hands-on at the front.
We have 298 bedrooms. This is where you'll stay. You won't have to worry about finding accommodation and you'll get to live with your friends. Our programs are made up of 3 parts: practical training, business and management studies, and a paid industry placement. PIHMS will find you a paid job. It's guaranteed. We place our students in hotels across New Zealand, Australia and the UK. We see this as the vital link between your learning and the real world.
PIHMS for me was the obvious choice after high school. I'm not the sort of person that really likes sitting in a lecture hall, so university wasn't the place I was going to go. So I really thrive in an environment that's a bit more hands-on. Obviously there's an element of PIHMS that you have to do some study and some book work and things, but you still get to go out on your placements and you still get to do the practical side of things at PIHMS as well, so that was a real benefit. The industry placements are really valuable in terms of developing your career after you leave PIHMS, so I think the biggest benefit of those placements is not the experience that you get, although that is important, it's the connections that you make while you're out on the placements. I mean, I could go to Melbourne tomorrow and have a job, or I could go to Wellington tomorrow and have a job, and it's because of those connections and the skills that they know you have because they've taught you them that are really valuable.
PIHMS have fantastic facilities on site, from free use of gym, squash court, tennis court and a heated pool. Students host events as part of their event management, so you'll never get bored on our fun campus. Our staff live and breathe tourism and hospitality. They care about your success and are here for you every step of your journey. Their passion will be infectious. Learn from the best to be the best. Our graduates work in a wide range of roles across the tourism and hospitality sector, including hotel management, events, marketing, HR, finance, business and sales, flight attending, front office, and bar and restaurant management. Employers prioritise people with skills and prior work experience. Our programs ensure you have both. 96% of our students secure employment within 3 months of graduating. The combination of practical training, business and management studies, and paid industry placement ensures our graduates become inspiring leaders.